Monday morning. I gotta be at work in about an hour and a half, well, 2 hours. So I got up really early. I woke up about 5:30 and sun's not up yet. I just kind of had an itching to go fishing before work. It's early spring, so this could be an awesome morning. It could be nothing. I guess we'll find out. Wish me luck. All right, here goes nothing. First person at the park, of course, because it's pouring rain. No smart persons out here. Raining pretty good now, and with that the water is starting to get runoff and muddy, so it might not, that complicates things a little bit. I'll keep trying to spinnerbait a little bit, because sometimes that can, when it's rainy and windy, I can still get that thumping, can still get their attention. Wow, that's what it's looking like right now. Coming down hard. I'm doing a kind of a dark colored spinnerbait, but I've only gotten one bite, and that was on a Z-Man goat. So kind of a small creature bait on the bottom, kind of a tap tap, but didn't get them. So I don't know. It's in a dark sort of way. It's beautiful, but not catching anything. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes with this. Might try a worm, and then I'm gonna get to work. So I've switched over to a wacky rigged zoom worm, and it is just coming down cats and dogs. If I were not in my Gore-Tex, I would be soaked to the bone. GoPro start recording. All right, well, it was a morning of fishing and not catching in pouring rain. And I'm gonna go ahead and post this video just because sometimes that's how it goes. I've only been out here about an hour, but like I said, it's beautiful, but not really a morning for fishing. Y'all have a good day.